Hello friends, I'm your Rani Subramanian from Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. Once again, I welcome you all to Kesaria family. I hope all are safe and doing great. Today also, I'm going to show you some collections and business information video in this video. So it will be very helpful for you to start a clothing business with a manufacturer. So subscribe the channel. There's a bell icon. Just click it. Uploaded product videos and online shopping you can do 24/7 with Kesaria Manufacturers, and you can directly tie up to start a clothing business. So friends, as I said, today I'm going to show you a business information as well as you showing the collections. So at present I am at the Kesaria Manufacturers warehouse. This is a warehouse entrance where I'm standing over here. Here you can see lots of bunches of collections. These are all exporting to out of India, where the retailers who are tied up and doing the business, this is entirely not completed the process. This will go for another packing with the brand Kesaria. Then it will go accordingly. And here is the brand of all the packing. How a brand is giving you smooth services of transportation. If I talk about the logistics. Oh, this is an empty trolley over here. The packing is going on. So all varieties and the bulk quantity you can also see here. If you are looking for a bottom varieties, if you are looking for a dupattas, any segment you take, you can also do pre-order booking. A manufacturer will give you bulk quantity. If you need anything same pattern or same any segment, minimum quantity of 300 pieces, 15 to 20 days before you can place an order and you can get it at your location. So let's see, I'm going to take you to the warehouse. So friends, as I said, I'm going to show you the entire warehouse. So how the stock is getting maintained and moving to shop. The keep customers purchasing the stock, and the warehouse, the manufacturer stock, it goes to the shop. How the sales getting implements and the audits, the number of stocks. There is an audit team also, how they do cross check the stock products actually for the collections. So here you can see the bunches of collections of printed catalog lace border sarees. These are all lace border sarees. Every pattern, every find out, you will find a catalog. So the same catalog and the sarees you can find out here. These are all pre-advanced stock which is getting maintained, and it will move according to the customer's purchase, depend on the cities, depend on the business, how the products are moving. So next, if I talk about the collections, some collections are aligned here. These stocks are almost purchased and it's going to the packing, and it will go move for the logistics for the packing and as well as the customer how they purchased. Sometimes the stock when is not there at the shop, they will take directly from the warehouse. So directly it goes to the purchasing. When people doing a purchase, online purchase from COD or from the international and the pan India, they also do the pre-booking at once. So directly it takes from the warehouse and it will be sent to the customer according to the business requirement. And if I talk about this collections are the printed sarees of Poonam sarees. Such a beautiful Poonam sarees. All varieties you will find out. Such a beautiful collection. These are all same pattern. You will find out different colors. If you need same pattern with different colors also you can purchase. Same pattern with same color also you can purchase. So every pattern you will find out a code over here. And if I talk about the manufacturing, they give the collections according to the catalog, non-catalog. As I say every video, the Kingfisher. In this pattern, there is a code called Kingfisher. And this is a color chart of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 colors. 8 colors here there and the KTC logo. And in this bunches, same 8 colors you will find out. So this is a bunch. So every pattern, this collection is also Poonam sarees, also purchased from a customer. So this is also one part, and here also aligned customers requirement on the printed sarees. So these are all printed loose wear sarees according to the price range. They have aligned it. And here if I talk about, these are all the silk varieties of exclusive box varieties of collections. So these are all exclusive grand collections of wedding sarees, functional wear sarees, traditional family events they can purchase. And here are some boxes has got aligned, which is going for a customer's order, which customer has ordered, and it going for a billing. And here is also running Poonam sarees. So here is also a Poonam sarees. So this collections, and here also turkey towels. You can find out the turkey towels also. We have a handlooms also. you can purchase towels, and you can also order a handloom collections of hand towels, turkey towels, bar towels, everything. We do have all sizes, and these are all printed Poonam sarees, all varieties, and the bunches of collection, the running Poonam sarees by quantity you can purchase. So here if I talk about the collections, so this is also a silk saree, rapier silk, printed catalog. So, and here you can see the wedding box collections, and here the Banarasi saree boxes. And in this, if you need such a box varieties also, customer can take a place pre-order booking. And here is a cotton sarees, work sarees, printed saree, designer, Chanderi cotton printed, and linen cotton, cotton silk. These are all the sarees. And here some cotton sarees are aligned for the billing. And here if I talk about the blouses, all blouses, especially retailers, if you want to really have this designer blouses, you can have it your blouses. See all varieties of blouses, you can see all stock, all different varieties. These are all manufactured colors with varieties. And here the rapier silk and the digital printed blouses, all this is a stock for the season, is a getting and it's going to a billing. So all kind of varieties. And next varieties are langas, bridal langas. This is all the bridal langas which is placed by a customer for the international Singapore, Malaysia. We do have a US. This you can do from Sri Lanka. According to the langas boutique showroom, if you want to start, you can start. And here the rapier silk, the low range varieties of rapier silk, rapier cotton. These are all, it starts from only 150 rupees, I can say. These are all taken for the customer's purchase. And this trolley always takes a bunches of stock and it goes scheduled. So accordingly, they align different individually customers billing invoice according to the, not to get mismatch. So these collections are silk varieties of digital silk varieties. And here are designer party wear langas. There we have seen designer bridal langas. Here we are seeing the designer side wear party wear langas. These are all designer side wear party wear langas. You can also pre-booking, you can do. And pants and pant shirts for the men collection, you can also buy the pant shirts, running material also you can purchase at the manufacturing cost. Here fully, so pant shirts and the silk varieties customer has ordered, these all going to a billing. So we do have a billing, and here also some customers order. And if you want to donate like running sarees, same quantity, see, same color with same Poonam saree, such bulk quantity a customer has placed an order, it's to donate actually. So if you want to have a donating like running sarees, you can also have a bulk order. According to price, the printed sarees, if we talk about, it starts from 100 rupees. Highest price we do have a designer fancy 700 to 800. So normally printed sarees we get from 300 rupees. So here is also the collections. So all varieties you can purchase. This is not there, you can't tell. And this is such a beautiful box packing of sweet boxes, silk varieties. These are all grand exclusive collections. You can see here, it's all customer ordered. Customer ordered designer saree, silk boxes sarees, designer, casual printed. So these are all work sarees. This is also customer has placed. So friends, I've shown you directly warehouse stock, how we maintain, how it goes to shop by regularly moving the collections and all. You can also do purchase visit like this, and if you visit once, you will get a lot of ideas. You can clear how I can start with a manufacturer clothing business. So please visit Kesaria Manufacturers, which is located at Surat City Ring Road, Millennium Textile Building 1. First floor, morning 9:30 to 8:30. If you couldn't travel, do 24/7 you can do online pre-order bookings payments through Pan India plus International. Numbers are on the screen. You can directly contact our sales executives. And if you visit Surat, Once you reach Surat from airport or from railway station, we do have a waiting office area at opposite to Surat railway station. Doriwala Square building next to Ginger Restaurant opposite to Surat railway station. Numbers are on the screen. You can call our executives. You will have a smooth pickup drop facilities. You can easily come purchase and you can start your clothing business. Kesaria manufacturers deal with many more segments. At one roof you can purchase like saree, kurti, langa, bottom, dupatta varieties, boutique collection, suit material, multiple varieties of handloom collections, kids collections, blankets, bedsheets, all many things that under one roof you can purchase at manufacturing price or factory cost. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. Share with your friends, relatives, with everyone, and I request everyone subscribe the channel and keep watching for the regular videos for the new updates where you can purchase and you can add into your business to have a smooth profit. So next video I'll come up with many more business informations with new collections. Till then, keep supporting. Take care. Bye bye.